風扇都可以，
風扇唔係開，你可以有呢度呢度，咁我睇呢度。
哦，
你有嗰度。
我諗住吹呢度嘅，嗱嗰個風扇嗰隻斷咗。
舊會地吹嗰度會。
唔係嗰個鐵片啊，你還咗。The rock moving just now. You see the bit? Come closer. Come closer. Oh, take it. You see the fish stick a bit? come closer to you, come back. Oh, not very big. The weight is light. Fishes here are equally as strong. Oh, dear, so near. See that it, see that it. Oh, get it on. Oh, there. There you go. Oh, the big that's okay. I just eat it. Yeah, wow, look at the baby fish. Let's see if they come out. I just threw two heads out. Let's see if they come. Some ripples. Some ripples. You see the head? How's it going? A lot of small fish are attacking. Sometimes when you get a big one already, they won't come already. They run away already. After a while, they'll come back. We'll just try this one. Try a couple of minutes and see if they eat them. There are 3 hits out there and none of them have taken out. That means they run away already. The fish that was caught just now spooked them already. Do you see any waves? Let's throw a little bit. Oh, I see them coming already. Here it comes. Oh, not taken already. I see him coming. Wait, he didn't pull? I think the bait already, but the line didn't go up. one. Let go the other one.
And this is how it looks like.
Oh. I escaped. That was a good bite. Yeah, moving a bit. Nope. No bites.
Go.
I'm gonna go far because near Jay got spooked already. Can you see the line? Can you see the line?
Yeah, sure. Can.
You see the line?
Yep.
Okay, ready?
Yes.
See the line?
Looks like when you shoot far, you get the point.
Far they don't really
Mm.
only near. I got a big one. The biggest was 11.5.
How does it feel like?
Like small but very strong. The fighting is longer than the waiting. Trust me. It's all under the same video. How long are you? Can you turn the camera over to the side? Look at all the fishermen. Can you see all of them? You see all of them are waiting for a bite. Can you zoom into the you see all these people? They're still waiting for a bite. No bites yet. We've been catching fish after fish and yeah, those guys, I don't know what they're fishing. Okay, I'm gonna cast this one. Got it? The fish took already. How long was that? 4, 5 seconds.
It looks like you feel heavy.
If it's a big fish, the line will just go on, go on, go on. No, the tension is quite high. If it's small, I want to bring it back as quickly as possible. Because the next cast could be a big one. Every cast, you never know. The next following cast could be the one we are waiting for. Do you think the nearby guys are back already? Want to try nearby? Try, let me see if the guys are back. So a small fish jumping to a big fish is swimming in. I think within a minute, no action, they are not around. Don't see any ripples, don't see any movement around the bait. Means they're not around. If they're around, they take already. No waves, nothing, so they're not around. Outside, a lot of fish outside. One, two, 3 seconds. Okay, outside. Outside it's crazy. Drop and bite already. So which one is better? Bear or fish on? Actually I like the striking part. Not so much of the pulling. Be interesting to see them bite. But so far away, a bit difficult. Other time we are trying to throw nearby. Sometimes the big ones are all nearby. Okay, pause it. Nothing much. Oh no. He came up. Oh, he came up. Properly. So it doesn't come off. Oh, keep saying it already.
Gas, kotak, besi.
Alright. Ready? That's it. Can you see the line? A bit far already. Let's try. Maybe nearer a little bit. Too long. Okay. Yeah, the head is not floating. Head is not floating. I can see some people. Is it alright? already. Yeah, let go already. Okay, enough. Oh, a lot of people. Thinking. And take it.
Wow! Ya, sebenarnya mati sedikit lah. Nah ini, ya bahaya ini. Agak lah. Ada lah. You see the line? You see the line? Now, hit. Yeah, pause. Ooh. No, it's not coming back. Try again. Let it in longer.
this head is not floating. No ripple. Oh, okay. Oh, let go. The heat is not floating. Not floating. Okay, pass again. Ooh, see that? Ooh, see that? Gotcha. Why it went to this side already? Okay, leave for a while, listen. Okay. Too far enough. Let's see the wires. Oh, okay, here it comes. Here it comes. This head not so good. Already. Very soft already. Not far enough. I didn't want to touch so far because I scared the tail will come. Oh, lousy head, that's what they want. Wow, look nicely. You got it? Can you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, explode.
Ui.
Ah. Look, thing it is. I need fish for lunch. Oh, you got. Yeah, escape. Give it time, give it time. Ah, yeah. Sure, give it more time. Here they come, here they come. You see all the ripple out there?
Hmm.
Here we go. Let go. Pull halfway then, let go. Don't tell me you took my bait again.
Yang pening tu. Kau tak tengok lagi kan? Dia nak je. Dia nak tengok lagi aku main
Oh, let go. Never mind, pass it. Oh, this head is not floating. No more gas already. Try and if it's not floating, then it's less. No, change it. Oh, it's been a crazy fishing session today, fish on. This is my last bait, last kopek. Let's see if we get a bite. Full fight, huh? Oh, come back, hey, come back. Come back. Oh no, my last hit. Let me scoop up a head first. Pause. My last juicy plum hit. Somewhere around there. So what I had to do, I had to go and get old bait, scoop it up, and see if I get a bite or not. Aiyo. Really? Huh? Please don't come up. Oh, thank God. Okay. Ui! You see that?
Mm.
Got you! Last kopek, last kopek. Last kopek, David. Oh, I lost count how many fish I got. Full, huh? Yeah, I landed. Drag your nose completely locked. Oh! Wow! Oh no, why? Why? Let me go and search for another head. I must get a last corporate fish, okay? Yeah, I'll come back. I just lost the last corporate fish. Luckily earlier I've been feeding them, throwing some baits up. So some heads were floating around, but they're old. But they still bite. Now it's like feeding frenzy right now. Okay, this time, they really let it eat longer. Oh, I see a lot of ripples here. Let it eat a bit longer. And here they come. They're not so crazy about old heads actually. Oh, then here we go. Okay, let it eat longer, let it eat longer. You must be very hungry. This is a magic hour. 12:39. Eating frenzy. I think whatever I throw in also now they eat. Come back, come back. Somebody. Somebody. A lot of fishing lines there, don't worry. This one is very securely hooked. It's not big.
And tired already, are you?
Yes, finally. Okay, this is gonna be our last fish of today. Last copper fish. Because we don't have any more bait. Beautiful, beautiful chopper. Look at this dorsal fin. What a powerful, beautiful fish. Alright, thank you, fish. Our last one. Okay. Super tired. That's all. Thank you. See you guys again. Bye.